New listing in Garrett. Discover this charming home, lovingly cared for by its original owners since it was built in 1998. Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac lot, this property boasts a well-designed layout and is ready for its next owner. Some notable features include 3 bedrooms, plus a versatile loft, 2 living areas, including a cozy family room with a gas fireplace. You'll not be short for space in this home. The ensuite master bedroom boasts a walk-in closet, jetted garden tub, and a separate shower. Notice the beautiful natural woodwork as you explore throughout the home, preserving the original look and feel. The kitchen is outfitted with granite countertops for a touch of elegance. We're heading into winter, but imagine next summer from your very own outdoor oasis. Enjoy the backyard with the included pergola and a yard that is a private sanctuary, including a bird feeder area and a tree-lined backyard for added privacy. Recent updates and upgrades to this home make it even more move-in ready. And don't worry, there's plenty of storage space found in the 2-car garage with an added extension that provides extra storage for lawn tools and toys. What are you waiting for? Call Jim Owen to schedule your private tour.